Wait a minute. So let's start right here.
And then we go.
So we're going to go down this way a little bit. So
This.
wait a minute. Stay right here. So see the camera?
Yeah.
So what I need you to say is, here we are at the jungle, and we're going
No,
to
at the rainforest.
oh, rainforest. Here we are at the rainforest. We're going to be exploring.
Yeah.
I had to bring some water because it's
We have to make it to look like it, so water can fly everywhere, and it can look like water is raining on the rainforest.
so. But you know, in the rainforest, you can't just drink the water that's on the ground, and so you get real thirsty because it's so hot in the rainforest. You know, it's very, very hot, and so I'm glad you brought some water because it would be so hot and you'd be so thirsty. Are you ready to go walking in the rainforest?
And it's gonna start raining.
So wait a minute, stop right here and say, start over here and say, hi, I'm Brent. We're going to go exploring in the
I
rainforest.
am born.
No, say your name and that you're going to
I
explore.
am Son, and I'm going inside the rainforest. It's gonna start raining, so let's watch out. So make sure you stop filming when I pour the water.
So it's awful dark in the rainforest. Let's see.
Alright, so look at all these leaves over there. Now, all those leaves are.
Wait right here for a second. Now, let me ask you a few questions. What kind of animals are in the rainforest?
Bugs.
So, say, stand right there. Now, say,
Bugs.
you'll find in the rainforest, so start with, in the rainforest you will find. So the first thing you say is, in the rainforest you will find, and then you tell me what you'll find. No, start with, in the rainforest.
In the rainforest, they have like lots of water everywhere, and so much leaves.
What kind of animals?
Bugs. And
I hope there's no mosquitoes.
mosquitoes.
Snakes.
Snakes.
Alligators.
Alligators. Lions. Tigers or what?
How about
Which one makes this sound?
I don't know, panthers?
Panthers.
Mm,
And panthers.
yeah.
And that's all I know. Now quit filming when I find the one.
There's a creek right down here. Let's look at this creek. Nope, further down. A little further, a little further.
If I see.
Right here. Look at this creek.
All right. There. Now. And now the last. There. Now let's see. Hello, I'm in the rainforest. Now what?
Now tell me about the rainforest.
Tell me about the rainforest.
No, that's you. I want you to tell me about the rainforest.
You tell me about
Why do they call it a rainforest? Does it rain a lot?
Yes.
Does it rain every day?
Yeah.
And how much does it rain? A whole lot?
Yes.
Now tell me about the rainforest.
Rainforest. I'm not quite hearing that.
All right, let's go back this way.
No, but that
Keep
was...
going.
Why? Why?
Because we're making a movie.
Now, this way. This is the part of the rainforest that has lots of clouds. It's a little bit nice.